everyone. So the first thing you want to do is grab some gloves. So I use gloves because, of course, I have my own small little business. So you want to keep everything nice and clean. So first I grab coconut oil. Coconut oil is very known for hair growth and very moisturizing for your lips and all of that good stuff. So I'll grab a couple little spoons of coconut oil, and I put it in a separate bowl than my other one. So you want to keep everything separate so you won't just mess everything up. So I put my coconut oil in that, and then of course I have to use my finger. So then you basically grab whatever the desired amount that you want. I put a lot because I made a batch of about almost 10 glosses. But if you're only making one, then you should know when to stop putting coconut oil. So then what you want to do is heat up the coconut oil in the microwave, or you can set it in really hot water. So I put my coconut oil to the side so my whole spot won't be all messy. Now I grab my Versagel. Versagel is very moisturizing lip gloss base, and it's also vegan. So for those out there who love vegan stuff, it's great for that. It's very thick also, so that's why I will be using the coconut oil to thin it out. But yeah, the Versagel is very thick, but it's very, very moisturizing. Literally, you can only use that as lip gloss. So now I add my coconut oil, and you can add your desired amount, like I said before. I didn't put all of it in there though, because I didn't want to overdo it. So I put my coconut oil in there, and then and yeah, like I said, I left some of it in there because I didn't want my lip gloss to be too liquidy. I think that's how you say it. But yeah. So then now I'm gonna start mixing it. And actually, usually that is used for icing on cakes and stuff. But this is really great for mixing your lip gloss bases and just your lip gloss in general. It's very easy, and it keeps things together, and it keeps things clean, very clean. That's why I love using it. So yeah, you want to continue mixing it because it does since the coconut oil has to absorb in the Versagel, and then eventually the Versagel and the coconut oil will I don't know, it changes the consistency, I guess you could say. But I added a little bit more Versagel because I thought that it was too liquid, it was more like a liquid, and I kind of it was too liquidy, and I didn't like that. So I added more Versagel so it could make it a tiny bit more on the thicker side a little. But then I grabbed my peppermint oil, and this peppermint oil is actually natural, organic, so it's very, very strong. So I believe I added 8 drops. Yeah, I added 8 drops because I want that sensation, the tingly sensation on my lips. So yeah, so then now you grab your syringe. So you can use any type of syringe that you want. So I grabbed my syringe and did what I had to do. So I did that, and now I'm putting it into my lip gloss wand tube. So the wand tube, I got it off of Amazon. I might put the link down below, but yeah. But you can't see what I was doing. I was putting it in there. I was kind of having a difficult time because I wanted to see exactly how it was going in there. So yeah. And now I just I kind of I was shaking it so it could just go all the way down to the bottom, you see that. So that's the process of it. Then now I grab the cap, and that's the cap where it makes sure that it won't spill out, which is very, very nice to have, and that comes with the product. So I really love that. So now here's a picture of the finished product. I really liked how it came out. Now here's a picture of what it looks like on my lips. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and check the description box for my business link, and I'd really appreciate it.